Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through the steps how you can edit diagram from draw.io. So let's get straight into it. First thing you need to do is you need to be logged in your Confluence account. Uh, Also make sure that you are in correct space. This is really important if you have more spaces than one. After that, you need to create here on the left side the page. So if you don't have it, you just click on create and then page, and it will like that. I name it edit diagram from draw.io. So the next thing is that we will type here this and then draw.io. So now you can see that we couldn't find any results. Select view more to browse inserts. So you will click here view more and again type in draw.io, and right here you see the first one here. After that you will click here learn more, and it will open up this space right here. You can read about these diagrams, but on the right side we have try it for free, so click on it and the free trial will begin. Just needs to load up. So now as you can see it's added to our Confluence profile. So let's go and try it now. Now, if we go back here and type in draw.io again, you will see that we have now here these options. So click on diagram, it will open up a pop-up window, and here we can change, we can um, use some templates of these diagrams. So you just need to load up a little bit. So as you can see now we have here some basic business chart, cloud, software, tables, OML, when wireframes, templates, which we can use in our project. So it's just a bit laggy here, but I don't know why. But okay, let's try this mini create. Click on create. I choose this one. Now here we can change the text. So and like that we can add some different styles here. On the left side we have this general objects, then we have some more icons here, arrows, as you can see, flow charts, and so on. So when we are happy with our diagram, we just hit here publish. It will save this diagram and it will show up in our page right here. So this is how we can create diagram from draw.io. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also comment down below that you have subscribed, that I can personally thank you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.